Huracan EVO with the V10, and there is the new system on there. Looks freaking insane. Now the old setup, very big, very heavy, and very quiet. I think they said the new one is about 40 pounds lighter, 40 pounds off the car. You might even feel a little bit more speed. Might feel a little quicker. But yeah, get rid of this old trash. We don't need it. New one is epic. I did go with a valve system just in case. I have to be quiet for the neighbors, trying to be nice for the neighbors. But when the valves are open, it will be from there to there. That's it. It's a very short trip from right about right here out to here. Quite a comparison, Joe.
And it is. Look at that.
That looks much better as well. So ugly. Wow.
This big old boat anchor
Seriously.
came off the back of the car.
Yeah, look at
Tie
the
your
way
boat up.
it like connects up there and then goes all the way around into the big muffler. You got other pipes down here. So we cut the distance like in half. Like
That's right.
The traveling distance for the exhaust. Instead of all the way around and all this and that, it goes from there to there. And then if the valves are closed, it goes around here. But nothing crazy.
And then both sides of the V10, the mighty V10, when the 5 cylinders are firing here, 5 cylinders in there, it hits this X pipe and it gives you that super high pitch sound and takes all that weight off the ass end of the car.
That's gonna be freaking awesome. That is awesome. That is not bad at all. Wow. That's sick. That's definitely pretty freaking loud. Definitely very loud. Let's see what she blows on the old meter here.
The DB.
Alright.
Yo,
It's fired up.
It's dangerous.
We've got the DB meter. Let's see what she's got here. We'll give her the beans. Oh yeah. Now Strata, Corsa. Oh yeah. Those pops are awesome. That's freaking awesome.